Assemble the parts. A key to construction and understanding. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and useful phrase, assemble the parts. Whether you're putting together furniture, building a model, or simply trying to piece together information, understanding this phrase will add a valuable tool to your English language toolkit. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind assembling parts. When we say, assemble the parts, we're talking about bringing individual pieces together to form a complete unit or whole. This can refer to physical objects, like toys, furniture, or electronics, where you combine different components as per instructions. But it's not just limited to tangible items. This phrase can also be applied metaphorically to gathering and organizing information or ideas. The key here is the action of joining separate elements to create something functional or meaningful. Let's put assemble the parts into context with some everyday examples. Furniture assembly. Imagine you've just bought a new desk that comes in a flat pack. You'll need to assemble the parts as per the manual, which means putting together the shelves, legs, and drawers until the desk is ready to use. Puzzle solving. Think of doing a jigsaw puzzle. Each piece must be assembled with the others in the correct way to complete the picture. Team projects. In a more abstract sense, when working on a group project, each team member's contributions can be seen as parts that need to be assembled to complete the project successfully. Understanding and using the phrase, assemble the parts, is crucial for several reasons. It's widely applicable in various contexts, from DIY projects to academic and professional settings. It helps in following instructions and manuals, making it easier to build or create things. Knowing this phrase enhances your ability to communicate effectively in English, especially when discussing tasks that involve organization and construction. We hope this video has helped you grasp the concept of assemble the parts, and how it applies both to the physical world and metaphorically to information and ideas. Remember, learning phrases like this one is not just about expanding your vocabulary. It's about gaining tools that help you navigate everyday situations more confidently. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you continue your English learning journey in our next video. Happy assembling!